Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Nubia RedMagic 11R, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and simply for checking you can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. But if you'll decide that you'd like to download the update, I highly recommend switching to the Wi-Fi so you can avoid some additional charges. Alright, so we've got the internet connection, and then let's open the settings. Right here we have to scroll all the way down to find System. And here at the top we've got the option System Update. And now, as you can see, your device is checking for the updates, and basically you can meet two different scenarios. So this is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download, which is a great option. You're good to go. You do not really need to worry. And the second one is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.